today on OG Superfly Garage, we're going to be working on my friend's 2020 Dodge Ram Longhorn Edition, adding some bass to that stereo. Let's go.
This is small amp, you know, small but punchy.
Small but punchy. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm scared to push it.
Me too. I'm scared.
So we might have to make a run to the auto parts store to buy this star bit here. Yeah. So you say you can fit 4 people back here?
Easily, hermano. But if you drive it to Mexico, you can fit 6 or 7 in here.
Oh, you're killing me.
And like 20 in the back. Imagine that, man. A truck turns into limbo up in Mexico, hermano, for sure. Angle it in top first. There you go. Yeah. All right, so now that we got the back seat out, cleaned it, now it's time for a test fit of that box.
If you take that off, that might give you a little space.
A little bit, yeah.
You know, like at least an inch, if you can get it off.
When does it pop out? Or?
I'm afraid.
Look, me too. We can take this
Did you get
off.
his finger to cut?
No.
Oh yeah, this thing needs to scoop it all the way back, right?
No.
Oh, this is for the cover.
It's okay. We could just cut him again and have that on video.
Y'all crazy.
The fly.
Oh, he's chilling, man. He won't go nowhere. See?
This is where he wanted to die here. He said this is where he wanted to die.
So there's your test fit.
What you think? How does it look?
I think it looks fresh.
It's okay, the little grass is getting there. The main thing is we want it black. Okay. Here it is. This is it, right?
Yeah, where was it?
It was in here.
Oh, who opened it? Good job, DJ.
Good job, DJ.
DJ.
DJ's the man. He found the missing plug.
That's insane. Oh my goodness. If DJ wouldn't have looked.
Trim black. So I just need to put the sticky tape on the back and stick it on. Using this wire wheel to knock the paint off for a ground right there. That's for the amp, right?
Yeah, this is gonna be for the amp.
That's gonna wrap around this bolt when we tighten it down. It's an old-fashioned way of doing ground.
I'm thinking, how can I put this under the carpet?
You just run the wire underneath the plastic piece on the B pillar. Now we should be able to put the cover back on. Just be sure these wires are out. Got some wires. Uh-oh.
Ground.
Did that daggum ground fall back there again?
Yep.
I think it's gonna look great, man.
the recliner. Probably this is all the way up.
Oh, is it?
So I think it has to go back.
Yep, that was the problem. Hard part's done.
What you got there? This is high technology. What are you doing?
It's a phone stabilizer.
Oh, that is so cool. That is too cool.
Down, you know what I mean?
What do you mean? I think that's where those came from. Is that right?
I don't know, I think so. This was gonna be the track that it was gonna be for me until I die.
Right.
But man, things change, you know.
Yeah, oh, the game changes.
You know, a lot of work done right here, my friend.
What are your thoughts watching this?
Huh? Oh, it's interesting. It's always a new challenge. This right here is a challenge.
Worst case scenario, we'll mount it up here behind us.
On the firewall. Yeah.
I'm a little, everything's disorganized.
Yeah. I don't know what happened, hermano.
Tornado.
Tornado.